So do you also wish to send automated WhatsApp messages to all your leads? Then this video is definitely for you. So hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to send WhatsApp message on Wix form submission using Pabbly Chatflow. So here I run a real estate agency and I have created a lead form using Wix forms. So now here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive new form submission through Wix forms, then automatically an automated WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead through Pabbly Chatflow. So now here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Wix forms with my Pabbly Chatflow account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to see the working of this automation and to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, I'll show you how to automatically send a WhatsApp message whenever a Wix form is submitted using Pabbly Chatflow. So this automation helps you instantly engage with your leads, set confirmations or provide important updates without any manual effort. So stay tuned as I walk you through the entire setup step by step. So as you all know that I run a real estate business where potential buyers and renters fill out a Wix form to inquire about properties. So now quick follow-ups are crucial to keeping them interested and increasing conversions. So instead of manually checking form submissions and responding, I want to automate the entire process using Pabbly Chatflow. So now whenever someone submits a Wix form, they instantly receive a WhatsApp message with property details or pricing or a scheduled call link. This helps me engage lead faster, provide better customer service and never miss an opportunity to close a deal. So here I've already built an automation where I've connected my Wix Forms account with my Pabbly Chatflow account using an automation software. And now firstly here in this video, we are going to see the working of this amazing automation to understand the entire process more clearly. So now here to see the working of this automation, what we are going to do is that we are going to make a form submission over here. So here on the screen, you can see my Wix form and here you can see some pre-filled details such as first name, last name, email, phone number and the city. So now here my objective is as soon as I'm going to make a form submission over here, then automatically and instantly an automated WhatsApp message should be received on my phone number. So now here before submitting the form, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number so that I can receive a WhatsApp message over here. So here I've successfully entered my own phone number and now I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see we have successfully submitted a form over here. So now let's go and check our WhatsApp. And here you can see we have successfully received a WhatsApp message which says, "Hello dummy user, we appreciate your trust in our real estate services. Your details have been received and our team is already reviewing them to find the best options for you. In the meantime, feel free to explore our latest property listing on our website or let us know if you have specific requirements. If you would like to schedule a consultation or a property visit, just reply to this message and we will arrange everything for you. Best regards, Lakeview Properties." So this is a personalized message that we have sent to our lead, and with this we have successfully seen the working of this automation. Now here in this video we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation by simply connecting your Wix forms with your Pabbly Chatflow account using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or setting notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. So here on the screen you can see Pabbly Connect's homepage and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect/ana/ in your browsers. And here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps fit where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. But here before moving forward with Pabbly Connect, let me tell you that you can access your Pabbly Chatflow account from here by simply clicking on this access now. So now here I'm going to access Pabbly Connect for building this automation. And now here on my screen, you can see the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And now here to build this automation, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as send WhatsApp message on Wix form submission using Pabbly Chatflow. And now here after giving a name to my workflow, it is asking me to select the folder. So here the left side corner of this dashboard, you can see a folder section under which you can see the multiple folders that I've created with different names to save my workflows accordingly. So here in this particular case, I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on the screen button given over here. Now here this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I'm going to select my trigger application as Wix Forms, as I'm receiving new form submission through Wix Forms. So Wix Forms is a tool that lets you easily create online forms for your website like contact forms, surveys or event RSVPs. It's a part of the Wix website builder and doesn't require any coding skills. So here in my Wix Forms trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new form submission, so that whenever we are going to receive new form submission through our Wix Forms, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response, or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. Okay, so now here after selecting my trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here we are going to use this webhook URL to connect my Wix Forms with Pabbly Connect. So I'm following the instructions given below. Firstly, I'm going to copy this webhook URL. And here I've already logged in my Wix Forms account. So this is my Wix Forms account, and here I've already selected my site that I've created in my Wix Studio. And now from here in the left side bar, you can see we have received the option for automations. So I'm going to select it. And now here under this automations, I'm going to click on this new automation given on the top right corner. And now here for creating a new automation, I'm going to select start from scratch. And then firstly here I'm going to give a name to my automation such as new lead. And now here after giving the name, it is asking me to select the trigger. So here for the trigger, I'm going to select my trigger as new form submitted. So here I'm going to select this particular trigger. And then here it is asking me select which forms triggers this automation. So for that I'm going to select any, because I've created a single form over here. But if you want to select any specific form, then you can select it as per your need. And now here after selecting the form, I'm going to click on this apply given over here. And then I'm going to click on this add a step over here, and then I'm going to select action. And here for the action, I'm going to select the action as sent via webhook, because I want to receive the response via webhook. And now here after selecting this particular action, you can see it is asking me to enter the target URL. So here in this target URL field, I need to enter the webhook URL that I have received in my Pabbly's workflow. So this is my webhook URL, and then I'm going to select all keys and values over here so that it will set all the fields from the trigger. And now I'm going to click on this apply. So now with this, we have successfully set up the trigger and the action over here. So now I'm going to activate the automation. And with this, we have successfully set up a webhook inside our Wix Forms. So you can say we have successfully connected our Wix Forms with Pabbly Connect. And now here you can see as it is waiting for webhook response. That means here to receive a webhook response, we need to do a test submission. And to do a test submission, we need to generate a test response to our Wix Forms. So for that, let me take you back to my form. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here I'm going to enter some dummy data and do a test submission. So here for the name, I'm going to enter the name as test, last name as lead. Here for the email, I'm going to enter the email as test@pabblytools.com. Here I'm going to enter a random phone number. And now here after entering the phone number, the city is going to be Ajmer. And now here after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the submit. And here you can see it says thanks, we received your submission. That means we have successfully made a form submission over here. So now let's go and check our Pabbly's workflow. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the city, phone number, email. Here you can see the last name as lead and the first name as test and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received new form submission through our Wix forms, then automatically I want to send an automated WhatsApp message to that lead using Pabbly Chatflow. So now here to use the Pabbly Chatflow to send an automated WhatsApp message, I need to connect my Pabbly Chatflow account with Pabbly Connect in this action step given over here. But here before selecting our action application, let me tell you that what is Pabbly Chatflow basically. So Pabbly Chatflow is a tool that helps business create automated chatbots for their websites and apps. It's like having a virtual assistant that can chat with visitors, answer questions, and guide them to take actions like making a purchase or signing up. People use Pabbly Chatflow to save time, improve customer support, and engage visitors 24/7. It's easy to set up, customizable, and helps businesses provide quick responses, which keeps customers happy and boosts conversions. So now here before moving forward to connect Pabbly Chatflow with Pabbly Connect, you need to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account. And here to set up your Pabbly Chatflow account, what you need to do is that you need to add a WhatsApp number over here by clicking on this add WhatsApp number button given on the top right corner. And by clicking on this, you can see a window has appeared in front of us where it is asking us to enter the Meta Access token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID, and then here you can select the folder as well to save your WhatsApp number. And now here the question arises that from where we are going to get all these details. So now here to get all these details, you need to set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account using Meta for developers. And now here if you wish to learn that how you can set up your WhatsApp Cloud API account step by step, then you can check out the video on our YouTube channel for the detailed explanation of the entire setup. Okay, so once you get all the details, then you can add the details over here and add your WhatsApp number. And once you do that, then automatically your WhatsApp number is going to be added in your Pabbly Chatflow account. And here also if you wish to learn the entire Pabbly Chatflow setup step by step in a detailed version, then also you can check out the video that is attached over here. Okay, so this was the entire process to how to add a WhatsApp number in your Pabbly Chatflow. So here I've already created my WhatsApp Cloud API account and I've already set up my Pabbly Chatflow account. So now moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Pabbly Chatflow. So I'm going to select it. And then here for the action event, I'm going to select the event as send template message, so that whenever I'm going to receive new form submission through Wix forms, then automatically using a template message, a WhatsApp message should be sent to my lead through Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, so now here to connect my Pabbly Chatflow with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Pabbly Chatflow account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can simply click on the select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the API token. So here the help text it says enter the API token. Here log into the Chatflow account, navigate to settings, and then select API and webhooks and copy the API token. So now here to get the API token, let me take you back to my Chatflow account. So this is my Chatflow account, and from here the left side bar you can see the option of settings, and here the settings you can see we have received the option for API and webhooks. So I'm going to select it. And then here you can see it has taken us to the API window. So now here I'm going to copy the API token, moving back to Pabbly's workflow, and then I'm going to paste the token over here. And now after successfully adding the API token, I'm going to click on the save given over here. And now here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking us to enter the recipient mobile number. So here this particular field, I need to enter the mobile number to whom I want to send the automated WhatsApp message. So now here this field, I need to enter my lead's phone number. So here instead of entering the detail manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means it's a data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that I've received in my trigger step. Mapping makes a text dynamic so that whenever we are going to receive new form submission through our Wix forms, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here for the mobile number, I'm going to map the mobile number. So this is my lead's mobile number. moving forward. But here before moving forward, let's read what the instruction says. So it says enter the recipient's WhatsApp mobile number with the country code without plus sign. Ensure the mobile number is active on WhatsApp. So here it says that we need to remove the plus sign from the mobile number. So here it says that we need to enter the country code without the plus sign over here. But here you can see that our phone number contains a plus sign. So now here what we are going to do is that we are going to remove this plus sign by using a split text over here. So the question arises that how we are going to split the text over here. So now here to split the text, we are going to use a feature by Pabbly, that is text formatter by Pabbly, by simply adding an action step over here. So here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as text formatter by Pabbly. And now here in this application, I'm going to select my action event as split text. So here I'm using text formatter by Pabbly for splitting the text, but you can use it for basic formatting, extract pattern, find it text, replace text, split text, text parser, truncate, URL encode, decode, default value, URL parameter encode, and HTML to markdown. So here in this particular case, I'm going to use split text, and then I'm going to click on this connect, and here you can see it is asking me to enter the text to split over here. So here this particular field, I need to enter the text that I want to split. So here in this field, I'm going to enter my lead's mobile number. So again here I'm going to map the data, that is the mobile number over here, moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the separator. So here in the help text it says enter the characters, special characters are allowed, or word separator to split the text. For space as a separator, use space. So here I want my separator to be a plus sign, so I'm going to enter it. And now here after entering the separator, it is asking me to select the segment index. So here I want to retrieve the data after this plus sign. So for the segment index, I'm going to select second, and then I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received the phone number without a plus sign over here. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now let's move back to our Pabbly Chatflow action step, and here for the recipient mobile number, I'm going to map the mobile number from the response that we have received through our text formatter. So this is our mobile number, moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the template name. So now here to get this template name, let me take you back to my Pabbly Chatflow account. So this is my Pabbly Chatflow account, and from here I'm going to click on this templates given in the left side bar, and here in the templates I'm going to select templates list. And here the templates, you can see all the templates that I've created over here using Pabbly Chatflow to send an automated WhatsApp message till now. So here in this particular case, I'm going to use a template that I've already created with the name new lead. And here you can see the message that I've drafted, which says, hello Juan, we appreciate your interest in our real estate services. Your details have been received and our team is already reviewing them to find the best options for you. In the meantime, feel free to explore our latest property listing on our website, or let us know if you have any specific requirements. If you'd like to schedule a consultation or a property visit, just reply to this message and we will arrange everything for you. Best regards, Lakeview Properties. So this is the message that I've drafted, and here I'm going to use this template that I've created with the name new lead. So now here, before moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, let me tell you that how you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. So now here, to create a new template of your own, you have to click on this add a new template button given on the top right corner. And then here under this new template window, you can see we have received a box of add a new template over here. And firstly, it is asking us to select the template category. So here by clicking on this drop down menu, you can see the categories available. So here let's suppose that I'm going to select my category as marketing. And then here it is asking us to enter the template name. So here let's suppose that I'm going to enter the template name as new underscore template. So now here I've added an underscore over here instead of a space because it doesn't support a space in template name. And also you can read about the instructions of giving a template name over here below the field. So now here after giving a required template name, you can see it is asking us to select the language. So here for this particular field, you need to select the language in which you want to create this message. So let's suppose that I'm going to select my language as English over here. Moving forward, and then here it is asking us to select the template type. So here you need to select a template type, that whether a template contains text, image, video or document. So here my template contains text only, so I have selected text over here, and then here it is asking for template header. So it's an optional field, but here let's suppose that I'm going to enter the template header as welcome over here. So now here after adding the template header, you can see we have received a preview of this message in the left side bar. So here Pabbly Chatflow will provide you the preview of the message in the left side bar in order to create the message template more perfectly. And here let me tell you that template header will always be in a bold type. So here we have successfully added the template header, and then here it is asking for template format. So let's suppose that here for the format, I'm going to start the message as hello. And then here in the place of the customer or lead name, I'm going to add a variable over here. So here we need to add the variable in the curly braces. And once we do this, you can see the preview of the message in the right side corner. And here let me tell you that why I've used a variable in the place of name. So variables makes our text dynamic and you can add multiple variables in your draft. So now here to make this message a personalized one, I have used a variable in the place of name so that whenever I'm going to receive new lead or customer, then automatically the previously existing lead or customer name will be updated with the new one. Okay, so now let's move forward with the template format, and here you can see it is asking us to enter the sample value for the variable that we have used. So here I've used this variable for the name. So let's suppose that we are going to enter the sample value as test user. Moving forward, and then here it is asking us for the template footer. So if you want to add the footer, then you can do it as per your need, and here you have to select the interactive actions, that is the quick replies or all. So now you have to enter all the required details. You need to click on this submit, and as soon as you're going to click on this submit, it is going to send your template for approval in Meta. And once your template gets approved by Meta, then automatically you are going to see a approved status of your template over here. And after getting the status as approved, you can use that template for sending an automated WhatsApp message to your leads or customers. So here you can see my template is already approved over here that I've created with the name new lead. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here for the template name, I'm going to select my template name that I've created with the name new lead. So this is my template. Moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the header type. So here I'm going to select my header type as text only, and then here it is asking me for the header params. So here I've not added any header params, so I'm going to ignore this field. But if you have added the header params, then you can add the value over here. Okay, so now moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the media URL. So here I've not added any media in my template, so I'm going to ignore this field. But here if you have used a media in your template, then you have to add the public link of that video over here. Okay, so now moving forward, and then here it is asking me for the file name. So again here I have not used header type as document, so I'm going to leave this file name blank, and then here it is asking me enter the body parameter. So here in this particular body parameter field, I need to enter the value of my variable. That means here I need to enter the value of the variable that I've used in my template. So I've already shown you that I've used a single variable in my template, that is for the lead name. So here for the body parameter, I'm going to map my lead's name. So this is my lead's first name, so I'm going to map first name first, then I'm going to enter a space, and then I'm going to map the last name. Okay, so with this we have successfully added all the required details, and now I'm going to click on this save and send test request. But here before clicking on the save and send test request, I'm going to replace this dummy user number with my original number in order to receive a WhatsApp message right now. So I'm going to add my own phone number, and now here after successfully adding my own phone number, I'm going to scroll a little down, and then I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully sent a WhatsApp message to my phone number. So now here before moving to WhatsApp to check the message, let me take you back to my Pabbly Chatflow account. So this is a Pabbly Chatflow account, and here the left side bar you can see we have received the option for inbox. So here I'm going to show you the inbox first. And here in the inbox, you can see the message that we have sent to our lead with the name hello test lead. Here you can see the entire message, and here you can see the status of the message that is delivered over here. So once our lead or customer is going to read the message, then automatically a read status will be updated over here. So now let's go and check our WhatsApp. And here you can see we have successfully received a new message over here with the personalized name, that is test lead, and the same message template. So with this we have successfully sent an automated WhatsApp message to our lead. So now let's go back to our Pabbly's chat flow, and here you can see the status that has been updated to the read over here. Okay, so now let's try to reply to the message that we have received on our WhatsApp and see what happens next. So here I'm going to enter the message that says hello, I want to visit the property. Okay, so let's suppose that I'm going to send this message. Okay, so here you can see the message that I have sent. So now let's go and check our inbox. And here you can see we have successfully received a reply over here that says, hello, I want to visit the property. Okay, so with this, we have successfully set up the entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Wix Forms and our action as text formatted by Pabbly and Pabbly Chatflow. So that whenever we are going to receive new form submission through our Wix Forms, then automatically using a text formatted by Pabbly, the customer lead's mobile number is going to get modified website, and after that automatically an automated WhatsApp message is going to be sent to our lead using a template message through Pabbly Chatflow. Okay, so these were the steps to how to send WhatsApp messages on Wix for submission using Pabbly Chatflow. Using Pabbly Chatflow, I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the Flow link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now, if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.